Daycares across the state working to stay open to provide childcare options for parents in light of the school closures now. The Boys and Girls Club also trying to help out. Steve Nielsen is live with more. You know, we think there will be a lot of parents home with their kids, but there's a lot of parents who have to work. They might work in a hospital setting, a healthcare setting, emergency responders.
That's exactly right, Carrie. And if you are a healthcare worker or a first responder, you're vitally important right now to what's going on. So with schools out, if you have young kids, you have to have somebody to watch your kids right now. So we checked in with a lot of different childcare facilities, and we found that there are a lot of options out there, a lot of people stepping up right now. And we also found out what some of these facilities are doing to try to keep the virus from spreading. Behind the fun and games is a serious response at the Boys and Girls Club of the Valley. As schools have been forced to close their doors, the center has kept theirs open to watch the children of those that can't stay home.
Essential workers, first responders, really for those families and individuals that have no other alternative.
Now, to cover the cost of the meals and childcare, $155,000 in state funding is freed up every week. The club also working to keep exposure at a minimum.
We move them to different areas. If that is the case, the good thing with our clubs, we have multiple spaces here, so kids are not all combined in one space on top of each other.
They aren't alone. Lollipop Childcare Center says they have spots free in Gilbert for kids up to 12 years old.
If you need help, we are here. We want to make sure we are the backup care that the community needs.
They're taking steps inside the center, including a germ-fighting program.
We have started to just take temperatures throughout the day in case anybody's just running a little bit warm. Let the parents know. Try to be a step ahead of everything, of course, because the more intervention we have, the better everyone's going to be off.
At Wonderland Montessori Academy, every child's temperature is taken as they enter and throughout the day. They say childcare is incredibly important for those that need to be there for us.
We realize that a lot of our families are first responders. They're ER nurses, they're physicians, fire department, police department, and we need to be here for them.
And at Wonderland here, it's not just temperature taking, screening kids when they first come in. There's a lot more they're doing. They actually had a survey that went out online to all of the parents here this past weekend, asking them if they had been traveling outside of the country or knew anyone that had traveled to another state as well. And they also told all outside vendors that they're no longer allowed inside of the facility. Again, just trying to stop the spread here and participate in this social distancing. Reporting live in Gilbert, I'm Steve Nielsen, Fox 10 News.
Thank you, Steve. If you're looking for more information on what Steve was reporting on or anything about the coronavirus outbreak, we have created a website, Fox has, with all of the news you need in one place. It's really an amazing site. All you have to do is head over to coronavirusnow.com, and you'll find that information there.